The summers are here and so are the Alfonso mangoes. So why not make something super yummy but healthy for everyone? Today I'm making you a very yummy mango chia seed pudding. Now this pudding just needs these 4 ingredients. Believe me, it's that easy. So let's get cooking. So for the ingredients, you will need a tetra pack of coconut milk, some honey, 2 mangoes, cardamom powder and garnish के लिए पुदीना. I have chopped up some mango, I have pureed 2 mangoes and I have soaked 1/4 cup of chia seeds in a cup of coconut milk. And I've added 2 tablespoons of honey to this. If you want, you can make it more sweeter. As I told you earlier, I have soaked 1/4 cup of chia seeds in a whole tetra pack of coconut milk and I've soaked it overnight and I've added 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. If you want, you can switch to sugar and completely you can go sugar free as well. So now let me show you how to assemble this. Now you pour about say 3 tablespoons of the pureed mango. Now to this mango also you can add honey if your mangoes are not too sweet, but the Alfonso variety, as you all know, when you eat them they are like sugar, but in case if they're tart, just add a few spoons of honey to this and it should be good to go. Now what I'll do is I will take the remaining chia seed and I will just top it up so that it looks like a beautiful parfait. Now to this, what I will do is give it a Indian touch. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cardamom powder to this. And this will just give it a new twist. Take the chopped mangoes in the end and garnish this. So you get a few different textures. The puree, the chia seeds and the chopped mango. Garnish this with 2 pretty pudina leaves. And you're done! Your mango chia seed pudding is ready to eat.